I'm your friend Anurag. I'm back with another interesting fact which we will experiment it here using real life objects. So let's begin. Have you ever noticed an hot air balloon? When hot air is inserted inside it, it moves up. But when there is no hot air, it moves down. We will experiment it here and prove this using simple things. So let's begin. For this activity, we'll need a plate, a empty transparent glass, some colored water, a candle and some matchsticks. So let's begin. We will take some colored water into the plate. And then we will light the candle. The candle is now lit and we will place the empty glass on the candle. Now let's wait for some time. Can you see the water flowing into the glass? The candle takes up all the oxygen present inside the glass. The volume of the air inside the glass decreases. Therefore, the water rushes inside the glass to fill up the space. This activity is really simple and you can try it at home. But please try it using proper safety precautions. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe to my channel which is Kids Knowledge Hub. Till then, goodbye.